My name is David.
My name is Candela.
My name is Alejandro.
My name is Manuel.
I wrote to Santa to send me something special for Christmas. So he wrapped up Is this a bike?
No.
Is this a bus?
No.
What is this?
Car.
Yes. So small.
So Santa, I sent something else.
So he wrapped a kite. Is it red?
No.
Is it orange?
No.
Is it purple?
No.
What is it?
Blue.
Blue. It should be, thought Santa. I said something else. So he wrapped a teddy. Is it a teddy? A robot? Is it a robot? A book? Is it a book?
No.
What is this? What is this?
A ball.
Too bouncy, thought Santa. I said something else. So he wrote up is it an elephant mask?
No.
Is it a crocodile mask?
No.
Is it a monkey mask?
No.
What is this?
It's a tiger mask.
Too scary, thought Santa.
I sent something else.
So he wrote up some. Is it a crayon?
No.
Is it a pencil?
No.
What is this?
It's
Finger rings.
Empty. No, Santa. I sent something else.
So he wrote.
Is it a piano?
No.
Is it a guitar?
No.
Is it a violin?
No.
What is this?
It's a
Trumpet.
Too noisy.
So Santa, I sent something else.
So he thought very hard, and on Christmas Eve, Santa brought me a. Is it a dog?
No.
Is it a fish?
No.